Gardening is a popular pastime for many individuals since they enjoy working with nature. There's no denying the fact that gardening is a highly refined art form. In this video, we will be showing you advanced gardening tools that actually exist. Number 1. Terratech MultiRo Market Gardening Seeder. This seeder may be of interest to you if, in addition to a lush lawn, you also have seed beds on your property. The 12-row seeder is ideal for a wide range of market gardening tasks. You may grow roquette, radishes, spinach, and lamb's lettuce using the sower. This seeder is easy to swap out and just takes a few minutes to do so. All standard base plates have a depth adjustment mechanism for seeding. Using the knobs, a bed as narrow as 75 centimeters can accommodate as many as 12 planting rows. First, the front cage roller crushes clods of soil, preparing the ground for the rear full roller to press the seeds deep into the ground. This type is well known for its flexibility and adaptability. For instance, a 2-inch space between rows is the smallest possible, while a 28-inch space is the largest. One row of work can be done and the seeding density can be changed as needed. The seeder features a 75-pound weight and 2 rollers that can condense and break up soil clumps. It can stitch at a speed of up to 100 feet per minute, and its designers claim it only takes a few minutes to fine-tune it to your needs. Number 2. Logosol Smart Log Splitter. The Swedish design team behind this product states that it is a family-friendly, easy-to-use log splitter. More than 500,000 copies have been sold and it has already been patented. The log splitter can handle logs up to 22 inches in length and can handle a maximum weight of 21 pounds. It can be made operational independently by charging or refueling the unit. The creators of this new product are confident that it will be easy on your back and shoulders, that it will function as a form of exercise machine, that it will be compact, safe, and useful, that it will be environmentally friendly, and that it will have little storage requirements. Number 3. Ryobi ODT 1800. This versatile digging tool has a maximum auger diameter of 6 inches and a hole depth of 31.5 inches, making it useful not just in the garden but also for installing fence posts, for example. About 30 holes can be powered by a single charge. This tool is quite similar to the pruner in that it is 1+ compatible, can be used in a variety of soil types such as clay, sand, and loose, and features an electrical safety mechanism that keeps you in charge even if you accidentally touch some roots or rocks. For an additional $300, you may get the reverse mode, which offers similar benefits. Soil, sand, and sludge may be dug easily without having to use your hands. It works great for putting up a clothesline or mailbox and planting tiny plants and bushes. Number 4. UK Planet Tools 3-in-1 Multifunctional Garden Rake. Is there any way to make an already great garden rake even better? The maker of this model took the initiative to make it expandable. This rake can be put together and taken apart quickly and easily, and it can do a number of different jobs. The rake head's width is adjustable from 30 to 40 inches, and the 2 side portions may be swiftly separated to become a 7-inch wide shrub rake, ideal for clearing waste from under hedges and in between plants. Also, the easy click system on the rake head makes removing and reattaching these pieces in a breeze. This multifunctional garden rake has you covered in 3 ways. The rake's head may be separated in 2 halves, each of which features a grip handle that can be used as a garden leaf grabber for collecting and hauling away debris like dead leaves, twigs, and weeds. The click-on system on this multi-purpose rake's handle allows you to quickly and easily separate the 2 halves of the handle for compact storage. The premium aluminum grip is lightweight, sturdy, and simple to use. The rubberized foam handle grip on this 3-in-1 rake provides comfort and ensures a secure grasp. Number 5. STIHL 3-in-1 Sharpening Tool. The combination of 2 different sharpening systems is the key to the versatility of the sharpening tool. One of the systems guarantees sharpening on only one side, while the other system sharpens on all sides. Because of this, you may use it to sharpen a wide variety of tools. Ranging from pruning shears and secateurs to knives and axes, customer opinions appear to be divided regarding this product, despite having a price tag of $32 and a bright case that makes it impossible to forget about it in the toolbox. It is a necessary equipment for households as well as professionals that aim to keep their tools sharp and their landscapes as pristine as possible. Number 6. Fiskars Slanghaspel XL. The company claims that this motorized hose reel will turn watering into an enjoyable experience. The engineers behind this creation have thought of everything, as evidenced by the swiveling, wheel-based, and extendable handle. The puck-like design of the reel, which weighs up about 24 pounds, makes it less likely to topple over. This option disables the sprayer on a hose that extends 66 feet. Includes everything you need to keep your plants and patios hydrated, including a hose reel, heavy-duty hoses, spray heads, and couplings. Features an automatic roll-up and unrolling 20-meter exhaust pipe, a 5-meter intake hose, and a universal tap connection with 3 threads. Covers a wide area because it can be set up horizontally and on its own, rotates a full 360 degrees, and has non-slip feet. Number 7. Gloria Gardenboy Plus. This electric soil tiller is yet another flexible device. The highest depth it can cut is 3 inches, making it ideal for weeding, scarifying, and other related activities. Its 400-watt motor makes this possible. Extending 51 inches in length, the model tips the scales at slightly over 8 pounds. It's easy to hold because of the 2 handles. The oscillating action helps eliminate weeds and their roots, and the ingenious shape of the tines ensures that it works well even in dense soils. The manufacturer further states that consistent aeration helps lessen the prevalence of weeds and encourages the development of helpful microbes. The Gardenboy Plus efficiently does away with unwanted overlap at the boundaries of beds and lawns. The Gardenboy Plus is so powerful it can even scarify soil that it has been compacted. If you use the Gardenboy Plus, you can be sure that your soil will be perfectly ready for planting because it will have had the scarified soil layer disintegrated. By breaking up the soil on a regular basis, you encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria and reduce the spread of weeds. The Gardenboy's oscillating motions kill weeds at their roots, halting their ability to recover quickly. Number 8. Ryobi OLP1832B. Using simply a handsaw to prune branches might be a hassle. Investing in a cordless pruner like this one by Ryobi can save you time and reduce the risk of damage. Branches up to 1.3 inches in thickness are no match for it. Because of its length, the handle is easy to grasp, and the rubberized handles ensure a secure grip. It can run for up to 120 minutes on a single charge and is compatible with OnePlus technology. Charger and battery can be used with other tools from the same manufacturer. Without the battery, it weighs slightly over 4 pounds and costs over $220. You can get up to 200 cuts from a single 2.0 AH battery. Simple to use with 1 or 2 hands. A cleaner cut is produced by the bypass motion, which helps to keep plants disease-free. Don't waste time and energy manually pruning branches if necessary. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus portable lopper is powerful enough to get the job done. Number 9. Topkeeper. With this modification, a string trimmer may be converted into a scarifier, a wonderful tool for the springtime. The model's adaptability to a wide range of string trimmers and its suitability for usage on both artificial and natural lawns are both enabled by the included universal adapter. The patent-protected design was developed in collaboration with Dutch specialists. Its distinctive springs are responsible for the design's excellent quality and precise scarifying. About 5 pounds is how much the model weighs. The frame is aluminum. The accessory add-on costs $513, and an additional spring set costs $25. Optimal for hedge trimmers with a right angle gear. This tool is perfect for use in tight spaces or on high, out-of-the-way places like bed frames and bookcases. A handle adapter and smaller rings are included. The item weighs a total of 2.2 kilograms. Number 10. Hydro Mousse. Check out this liquid lawn system if you need to develop a new lawn immediately or fill in the holes in your existing one. It's eco-friendly, simple to use, and only costs $20. The system's spray and stay technology allows the seed to absorb more water, resulting in a denser, more beautiful lawn. In addition, it grows without difficulty in hot or cold climates. The system includes everything you need: compatible spray nozzle for a garden hose, preparing for work with a container of seed bags, and a special mousse takes a couple of minutes, and the vivid green color of the mixture makes it easy to identify the treated regions. Rapid and simple, the grass will grow where you spray it. Compatible with any garden hose. Eliminates uncertainty by displaying just where you are planting. The eco-friendly spray and stay technology TM adheres the seed to the soil and decreases the seed's water surface tension, allowing it to absorb more water. Superior seed blend integrates flawlessly with your existing lawn. And that ends our video for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring the advanced gardening tools that are existing. Which of them would you want to buy? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.